Hi everybody, Sandy here. Welcome to my channel. I've got a design team haul to share with you. It just came in yesterday, so I'm excited to share with you what I got from Country Craft Creations. Stay tuned. For this design team package, I decided to choose something a little different than I normally do in the past. I went online at the Country Craft Creations online shop, and I wanted to do something for Christmas in July, and I saw this older card kit by Simple Stories. The Holiday Hellos is still in the shop, and I thought, I want to make a little album out of the card bases and then use the papers and the elements that come with this kit to decorate it up, and that would be fun. But then I thought, well, maybe some of you aren't in the mood for Christmas, in July. So I saw this really cute Simple Stories card kit called Just Chicken In. It's a little farm summery looking one, so I chose it. So I'm going to make two little albums, one out of each kit, and I may change them up a little bit with the flips and the flaps, but it's going to be a lot of fun. And I did add some papers on that I need to use to make the pages or decorate them up. So let me show you exactly what I got. So first, let's look at the Christmas one, the Holiday Hellos. I'm not sure how many are left. And of course, with these, you could use any Simple Stories card kit that you might have already purchased, or go online. There are other styles that you might like available at Country Craft Creations. So for this one, I chose this Enamel Dots. Now, it's a different line. It was Hello Christmas. There wasn't any Holiday Hellos. So the greens are not quite right, but the reds are going to work. The white will work, and also I think this kind of light green teal color will work. See, with the background. So I got the Enamel Dots. Now, I will link all these products down below so that you can also shop. If you're wanting to follow along and do that. I picked up these buttons. I wanted some snowflakes. Now, the blue's a little, not quite what I wanted, but I think I might use some alcohol ink pens and be able to change the colors a little bit. So it's called I Love Snow. These are buttons galore buttons. There's other Christmas buttons you might want to get instead. There's like, I think, Santa's and different Christmas ones available. Then I picked out this, what color was this? Let me look at my sheet. Button jute string. I chose the color, I'm not seeing, there it is, parrot green, because of the green in this. And I just thought that would probably pull that out. And then for the seam binding, I chose red, of course, the Christmassy color. And for my green, I went with Kelly green, because I think that's pretty close. We'll see how that looks with it. Okay, so for the kit, of course, you get your instructions for your cards. If you want to make cards, that's fine and dandy. You can save this for later on. You're going to get your card bases. I believe there's 8. And this is what's going to make our pages of our little album. So did that say that 8 cards? So 8 card bases. So that comes in the kit. Lay that up there. We get stickers. Chipboard stickers, or just chipboards, little flat chipboards. We get the card pattern paper that we can use to decorate with on this. So we get enough for 8 cards. So it's not going to quite be enough to decorate with, and I'll show you how I'm going to fix that. So we get all these card bases. We get these elements. It's going to be a lot of little elements to create a really cute little Christmas in July album. So to go with that, I picked out some of my colors because the paper, the 12 by 12 papers that would go with this collection are no longer available. Now, if you ordered this last year for Christmas and you haven't used it, go look in your stash. You may have this paper, 12 by 12 papers that go with this, and that would be great. But I don't have that, so I ordered some of my colors. I ordered Limelight in the 12 by 12. I ordered 2 of those because I may want to use it for photo mats or some of the flaps, or actually on some of the pages. Did I order 3? I got 3. So I've got 3 of those. I got 3 of the, did I get 3 of these green ones? Yeah, I think I got 3 of each. Then I got 3 of the, oops, sorry, kitty. 3 of the Daredevil red. I think that would be a pretty red for that. And I wanted something different in the green, because see, we've got the light green in here. Can you see that? But then I also wanted to pull up the darker green, so I chose 3 sheets of the Parrot, because I thought that was a online that looked like a good green, and I think that's going to be a good choice. So that's for the Christmas album, for the Christmas in July, the little album we're going to make out of this card kit. Okay, so if you want to order some of the same supplies, you can, or check your stash and see what you have that you've already ordered from Country Craft Creations. Then for the other one, the Just Chicken In, I found the homegrown Enamel Dots, which is the exact colors. I chose the Goldenrod yellow seam binding. Now my seam binding, I ordered 4 yards of the royal blue, which is this one here, 6 of the goldenrod, 4 of the Kelly green, and 6 of the red. Don't ask me why. That's just what I did. So this is a royal blue. Now I think it may work okay with this, so I'm hoping for that. And then this is a really cute little collection. You can see the little images here. And again, you get the card instructions. I won't be using that. I got my 8 card bases, which will be my album pages. I got the little chipboard pieces here. So cute. I love that pig and the cow. And then, of course, you got your card bases here. So same as the Christmas one. So we have all this that are pre-punched. You just punch them out. Different little elements that we can use to decorate with, some really cute images here. And then, because this is a new collection that's still in the store, instead of my colors paper, I went with some patterned paper. Let me go through those with you really quick that I'm going to be using in this little album. So I took just 1 sheet, no, I got 2 sheets of the journal elements, because I want to use the journal cards, then I also want this print. So that's why I got 2 of those. I just got 1 of the tags, because I didn't think we needed to overkill. We just need 1. They're different on the front and the back. So when you cut them out, you can flip over which side you want to use. I got 2 of the I Rise and Shine, the adorable sunflowers in the pink like that. I got 2 of the Feed and Seed, which is like the seed packets, and the green journaling sheet here. And then I got, and it said 3, I only got 2 of each pattern. I don't know why I said 3. It's getting to my brain. Okay, I got 2 of the County Fair, which is like a quilt, and then the real pretty blue. So I think that's going to be a lot of fun. So I hope you will join me. I will start working on this. I will do the tutorial as I make these and design them. Like I said, each album will be basically the same, but may end up with different flips and flaps and pockets. We'll see how that goes. So this is my design team package from Country Craft Creations for my next design team projects that I'm going to be working on. Now, along with my design team project package, I also received the exclusive new By the Sea paper collection by Country Craft Creations. This is beach themed, and I haven't opened it up yet, but I've heard many say how beautiful it is. I'm going to be sharing this because I have another exclusive Country Craft Creations collections or 2 coming packages coming this coming week, and then I will show all those in a separate video. But I just wanted to let you know that I have received By the Seaside, which is by Country Craft Creations, so I can't wait to show you that, along with some other exclusive paper collections that I'll be getting in. So anyway, everyone, this is my design team package. This is what I'll be starting up with right away, working on the Christmas one and then the Just Chicken In. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell when you do. That's down below, somewhere by the description, So you'll be notified when the projects and the tutorial videos are all uploaded. You'll be one of the first to know if you've subscribed to me on YouTube. You'll know even before I actually share it on the Scrapbookers of Country Craft Creations. If you're not a member of that Facebook group, you might want to join. Remember, you have to answer all the questions to join. If you don't answer the questions, your membership won't be accepted. So it's real important that you do answer that. If it's a fun group, it's where we share all the projects for the different designers for Country Craft Creations, the new products, and info about the virtual retreats and the real life retreats and all that. So you want to join that Facebook group if you go onto Facebook. Also, if you like my videos, give me a thumbs up so I know. And as always, have a great day and enjoy crafting. Thanks, everyone. Bye-bye.